Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 EVS class. So today we will start the chapter Let's Celebrate, which we already started and we discussed on Christmas and Diwali. So today we will discuss about Guru Purab. What is Guru Purab? This is one of festival, and when we celebrate it, that's thing we have to know. On Guru Purab, people go to Gurudwar. As you already learned in Diwali, we pray to Goddess Lakshmi. Christmas, we go to the church. Like that, Guru Purab, on Guru Purab, this time people go to Gurudwara. Gurudwara. Okay. So, this time people go to Gurudwara and pray to the Guru Granth Sahib. Pray to the Guru Granth Sahib. So, as you know, then the Kali Puja we pray to Goddess Kali. At the Diwali we pray to Goddess Lakshmi. Like that, on Guru Purab, the people pray to the Guru Granth. Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib, and they go to in the Gurudwara. So they take out processions. They also eat langar. So what is a procession? You know that some pupils go by maintain the QV and they go one place to Gurudwara. So that things they mention something about and they pray to the God also that time. So this is about the procession and the langar. What is langar? See in the picture of page number 64. Here you can see some pictures that some pupils are sitting and they taking their food, and some people who are belongs from Sikh, so they serve those food. So these things in the Gurudwara, if we go there, we can see that some pupils, like some Sikh of this Gurudwara, they serve some foods, and those people who are hunger, so those things, these types of food, we called it langar. We called it langar. So these things about the Guru Purab, Guru Nanak's birthday, as we can told it, Guru Purab, Guru Nanak's birthday. That time people go to Gurudwara and pray to the Guru Granth Sahib, and they take out the processions, as I told you just, and they also eat langar. So this is the celebration about Guru Purab. Next is the Eid. Eid, that is celebrated after a holy month of fasting called Ramzan. So this time before Eid, during the 1 month, those some people who maintain the fasting, and this holy month we called it Ramzan. Men pray together in mosques. Some men, they go to the mosques and they pray together. A sweet dish called shimai. So that time in this Eid, this festival, they go to the mosque. In the day Eid, only men go to the mosque and they pray together, and men pray together in the mosque. So before Eid, there are during 1 month they are maintain the fasting. They do the fast, and this time is very holy month for those people, and this month we called Ramzan. We called Ramzan. So that time they also made a sweet dish. They make the sweet dish, and that is name is shimai. That is name is shimai. Right. So that time they cooked simai. Alms are distributed to the poor and needy. So what is alms? That is, that time we can see that some people who distribute some clothes, some foods, and who needs those things. Some people didn't have those clothes, they didn't take food regularly, so they are as very poor and they are very needy because they need this. So that's why we call it needy. And as they are very poor, so some people distribute their clothes, new clothes or old clothes and food. So these things we call alms. This stick we call alms. 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 So you have to remember this, that what is alms. Okay, so alms is the distribution of foods and clothes, and those shimai also, old and new clothes. So those all things when we distribute, these things called alms. So that is about Guru Purab and Eid. So Guru Purab, we go to the Gurudwara. Some people who are Sikh, they go to the Gurudwara, they pray to the Guru Granth Sahib, and they take out procession. They also eat langar, and in the time of Eid, after the day of Eid, there are during 1 month they fasting, and that is called the Ramjan, because this things is very holy, and this holy month they go to the mosque. Some men go pray together in mosques, and a sweet dish they make, that is simai, and alms are distributed to the poor and needy. Okay, so those two things we discussed today, and the rest of the part we will discuss in your next class. So have a nice day everyone. Read it very attentively.